Hi, my name is Nur Nabiha Huda binti Hairul. My matric number is 066526. My group chose SAMDABI Property Berhad for our group assignment, and I would like to talk about the background of the company. SAMDABI Property Berhad is a Malaysia's leading property developer with over 50 years of experience in building sustainable communities with over 100,000 homes across 25 active townships and developments under its belt. SAMDABI Property has a wide reach throughout the country. Beyond property development, SAMDABI has a strong footing in the industrial and logistics sector at Bandar Bukit Raja, Amina Business Park, Bandar University Pago in Johor, and more. As at December 2022, the company has approximately 14,700 acres of land bank, most of which are located strategically on the west coast of Peninsula Malaysia. The purpose of SAMDABI Property Berhad is to be value multiplier for people, businesses, economies, and the planet. Next, the vision of SAMDABI Property Berhad is advancing real estate as a force for collective progress in harmony with the planet's resources, and for the mission of SAMDABI Property Berhad is to develop, own, and manage a thriving asset portfolio, creating value for all stakeholders. SAMDABI Property Berhad core value is team. T for together we do what's right. E for we lead with excellence. A for we embrace new approaches. M for we make things happen. An organizational chart shows the internal structure of an organization or company. The employees and positions are represented by boxes or other shapes including photos. This creates a clear visual depiction of the hierarchy and ranks of different people, jobs, and departments that make up the organization. So, this is the organizational chart of SAMDABI Property Berhad, led by Dato' Azmi American as Group Managing Director. There are 5 types of property, plant, and equipment for SAMDABI Property Berhad. First, freehold land amounting to 58,619 ringgit Malaysia. Second, leasehold land amounting to 51,008 ringgit Malaysia. Third, buildings and golf courses amounting to 413,592 ringgit Malaysia. Fourth, vehicles, equipment and fixtures amounting to 43,860 ringgit Malaysia. Fifth, plant and machinery amounting to 996 ringgit Malaysia. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Nufara Rohida binti Kamordin and my matric number is 066802. Analysis ratio related to PPE. Debt ratio 36.81%. The company used 36.81% of liabilities in financing its total asset. Equity ratio 63.19%. The company used 63.90% of equity in financing its total asset. Total asset turnover 0.18. The ratio indicates the company managed to convert 0.18 times its total asset into each ringgit sales. Return on asset ROA 0.02. The company managed to generate RM 0.02 of net profit for each ringgit invested in the asset. Main PPE and its value to the company. The main PPE for SAMDABI Property is building and gold course, which is worth 413,592,000 ringgit Malaysia. Building and gold course are critical assets for SAMDABI Property SDP, as they represent a significant portion of the company's total asset and play a vital role in its operation. SDP primarily focus on the development and sales of residential, commercial, industrial, and hotel properties, as well as gold course, and its building and gold course are essential for achieving these goals. The value of STP's buildings and gold course can be measured in several ways, including their location, size, quality, and potential for development. SDP owns a significant number of high-quality buildings and gold course, and investing in this asset can enhance the company's production capabilities and improve the quality of its properties. leading to higher revenue and greater customer satisfaction. The value of SDP's building and gold costs can also be a key factor for the company valuation, as they represent a significant part of the company's total asset. Furthermore, SDP's building and gold costs can be leveraged to secure financing for future projects, as lenders see this asset as valuable collateral that can be used to secure loans. SDP's ability to invest in high-quality buildings and golf courses are also attract more customers and increase the company's revenue, leading to higher return on investment. Overall, SDP building and golf courses are valuable assets that plays a critical role in the company's operation and future growth. Investing in this asset can provide long-term returns on investment, enhance production capabilities, and improve business operation. SDP's ability to invest in high-quality buildings and golf courses can also be a key factor for the company's valuation, as this asset represents a significant part of the company's total asset.
The purpose of MFRS 116, Property, Plant and Equity, is to describe the accounting for property, plant and equipment, and to allow users of financial statement to identify information about an entity's investment in property, plant and equipment, and change in those investments. Key issues in accounting for property, plant and equipment are asset recognition, determination of book value, and depreciation and impairment recorded on asset. Property, plant and equipment in the Sime Darby are valued at cost less accumulated depreciation and accumulated impairment losses. The cost of property, plant and equipment included costs directly assigned to the acquisition of the assets. The book value of replaced part is written off, and all repair and maintenance costs are charged into the income statement. Freehold land is not depreciated as it has indefinite life. Assets under construction are reported as unfinished assets. Depreciation of this asset will start at authorization. This other property, plant and equipment is depreciated on a straight line basis by depreciating the cost of each asset up to its residual value over its estimated useful life. The principal annual depreciation rates are: first, leasehold land are over the lease period ranging from 35 to 99 years. Second, buildings are 2% to 5% or over the lease term if shorter. Third, plant and machinery are 20% to 33.3%. Fourth is vehicle, equipment and fixture are 20% to 30.3%. The main annual depreciation rate are as follows. Accounting treatment for MFRS 116 property, plant and equipment are reported on statement of financial position under non-current asset and statement of cash flow under cash flow from operating activities and cash flow from investing activities.
My name is Nursafika binti Muhammad Noor. My matrix numbers is 066928. Okay. So generally, PPE was disclosed in the financial statement, and the item will be appeared in statement of financial position showing the balance for that year. A business entity must disclose the measurement basis, depreciation method and useful life used for each class of property, plant and equipment, gross carrying amount and accumulated depreciation, reconciliation of carrying amounts at beginning and end. In accordance of MFRS 116, Sime Darby disclosed their PPE using a cost model for both recognition and subsequent measurements of their PPE. As stated in the notes of financial statement, there is also impairment losses disclosed in the report. Based on that, we can assume that the company follow a proper MFRS in recording their PPE where all the items are disclosed in such a conventional ways for the readers to gain information with. PPE are assets that are expected to generate economic benefits and contribute to revenue for many years. Purchases of PPE are a signal that management has faith in the long-term outlook and profitability of its company. As Sime Darby continue to play to market demand, they will pay close attention to managing their costs in anticipation of continued high prices for building materials, at least in the first half of the year. At the same time, they will explore different channels to replenish their land bank in order to activate new townships for continued and increasingly diversified business growth.